Good evening, everyone. Good evening, sir. Today, I want to present my homework. My homework. The name of the homework is the upstream process. And also, I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Sylvester Januarta Kendari. I'm from Petroleum Engineering Class B. With my ID student number is 2101087. As we all can see that in this screen that it has a diagram. Each of this diagram in this screen, it has every single step from upstream process. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step is exploration. Scientists study rocks and do scientific tests, and then they look for rocks that can hold hydrocarbons. From inside that rocks, they search that are rocks that can hold hydrocarbons. So, is it possible in that rock it has hydrocarbons? Yes. And what is our hydrocarbon or what are hydrocarbons? Well, hydrocarbons are made are made from oil and gas. And from oil and gas, they're combined or are made of hydrogen or H and carbon or C. So we call them hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons, yes. Now go to the next step. Yes, okay. The third step, they choose a good place for the next step. After after they find after they know where hydrocarbons are locating, they choose a nice place to to drill to drill a hole that so that they can up they can take hydrocarbons from the inside the hole that they drill. And for the fourth and the for the fourth step, finally, after they already choose a good place for the drill, finally the company do more tests. So the company has already find a good place to drill, but it doesn't end there. But it doesn't end there because the company does more tests and ask how much oil in there and are there any problems. Well, if the result of the tests are good, they go to the next step. It is development. So the final step, or so we call the fifth step. What does the development mean? It means they prepare for exam. They prepare. For example, they build a pipeline to transport the oil. The development then take from the development it takes from a few weeks or to many years. Then, uh, if the development is already done, then the production can be starts, and then the crude oil and gas can be flow very well and along the pipeline. So, yes, that is all about my presentation this evening. I'm sorry if there is any kind of word that misunderstand that I explained in this presentation. Sorry if there is a mistake in my presentation. Uh, and yes, that all is I can do. And thank you. Good evening.